When 2.5 grams of sample of more salt reacts completely with 50 ml of n by 10 KMnO4. So I'm going to take this word as my starting point. Completely reacts more salt with 50 ml of n by 10 KMnO4. The percentage purity of the sample of more salt is how much? Percentage purity is how much? So when I say more salt completely reacted, first we'll go with this. What is more salt? So first we need to know what do you mean by more salt. It is a double salt which consists of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Hydrated ferrous ammonium sulfate we call. Hydrated ferrous ammonium sulfate, which is of the formula FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 NH4 twice SO4 dot 6H2O. This is going to be more salt, which is of molecular weight. When you see the molecular weight of more salt, the molecular weight of the more salt will be approximately 392 gram per mole if I'm taking. So try to remember whenever it is useful, you can use this particular one, molecular weight, so that you have an idea, it becomes easy for the numericals. Right now, in this particular one, you can see iron is in +2 oxidation state, and ammonium ion, sulfate ion, anything, no other species in this particular entire formula. There is only one species who can undergo oxidation, can only undergo oxidation. So I can represent the entire more salt with just an Fe2 plus ion, because this is the only species which is undergoing oxidation in the entire molecule. Now what is KMnO4? KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent. KMnO4, it is an oxidizing agent. Being an oxidizing agent, it oxidizes Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3. It oxidizes Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3. In this particular oxidation, the valency factor will be equals to 1 with respect to Fe plus 2 more salt. Whereas KMnO4 in the acid medium, this is happening in an acid medium, automatically KMnO4, it will be converting into Mn2 plus, valency factor is 5. But here no need to think about that, because if this reaction is happening completely, milliequivalents of Fe plus 2 will be equals to, or we can say the more salt is equals to milliequivalents of KMnO4, which is equals to KMnO4 data is given 50 ml into 1 by 10 normality. So this is equals to 5 milliequivalents. So milliequivalents of more salt is equals to 5. Once we know milliequivalents, equivalents of more salt, equivalents of salt will be 5 into 10 power minus 3. Equivalent we can write weight by equivalent weight is equals to 5 into 10 power minus 3. Now we know W is equals to weight we have, that is 5 into equivalent weight is molecular weight by valency factor. Molecular weight is 392, valency factor is 1 by 1 into 10 power minus 3. 5 into 392 into 10 power minus 3, which is equals to 1.96 gram. After getting this particular one, the percentage purity, so the percentage purity will be equals to the pure sample 1.96 by the impure value, which is taken 2.5 grams, multiplied with 100, you will be getting 78.4%. So the percentage purity will be this much. So it has been given 2.5 grams is the impure sample, but we got 1.96. So taking the 1.96 divided by 2.5 into 100, we get 78.4%, which is in option A. So the answer is option A.